สบายดี Welcome to Lao 101 channel, the channel that will help you learn Lao by yourself. Today's lesson is about the Reading Lao series. After doing the lesson about Lao vowels, many people start interested to learn about reading Lao. So in this series, I will feature about 28 sound of the basic vowel in Laos, so that will put out a first basic reading skill for the people who want to deep dive into the reading Lao text. So I will begin with this one here, Sala'a, the short sound in Lao vowel. Let me just revise the lesson a little bit about Lao alphabet. So this one is Ko, Kho, Kho, Ngo, Cho, So, So, Nyo, Do, To, Tho, Tho, No, Bo, Bo, Po, Pho, Po, Pho, Mo, Yo, Ro, Lo, Vo, Ho, Ho. So this is a combination between Ho and different characters. There are 6 of them, 6 alphabets that become combination alphabet. Ngo, Ngo. You can compare here. Ngo, Ngo. Nyo, Nyo. No, No. Mo, Mo. Lo, Lo. Vo, Vo. So next, let's start reviewing the sound of the 12 long and short vowels. Sala'a, Sala'a. I will skip the word sla and just read the sound instead. A, I, U, 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 E, O, Ya, Wa. I, Me, Muan. The same sound I for these two. Sala'au, Sala'am. I, Au, Now let's begin putting them into the word together with mixing between the vowel and alphabet, the consonant here, and the alphabet. For Sala'a is next to the consonant. So this is how you would read. Ko, A, Ka, Ko, A, Ka. Kho, A, Ka. Kho, A, Ka. So you just mix on the alphabet with Sala'a. This is how it will sound. Ka, 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 Nga, Ja, Sa, Nya, Da, Ta, Ta, Na, Ba, Pa, Fa, Ma, Ya, Ra, La, Va, Ha, Nga, Nya, Na, Ma, La, Va. So with this short sound, sometimes with the tone marker is not going with each other. So this is how you start pronouncing on the word in Lao with Sala'a. This is the example of some of the reading with the Sala'a in this one here. Sala'a, as you can see, Ko, A, Ka, Bo, A, Ba, Ka, Ba. So in the previous slides with all the sound ka, ka, nga, nya, ma, some of them might not make sense or have any word that makes sense by itself, but then putting in together it could make some vocabulary. For example here, ka ba, ka ba, ka ba, it means a pickup car. Rod here means car. Khoi mak rod ka baสีแดง Khoi I mak like rod ka ba pickup car สีแดง means color red. Khoi mak rod ka ba สีแดง I like a red pickup. Ka tha pan. Ka tha ไข่ดาว fried egg อยู่ใน inside กระทะไข่ดาวอยู่ในกระทะถะหนูถะหนู means a bow, the archer and bow. I'm not sure if it read bow or bow. Yes. ถะหนูพอ dad ยิงถะหนู shooting the bow. ในป่า inside the forest. ล่าสัตว์ ล่าสัตว์ means hunting for the animal, but then the word here สัตว์ป่า means wild animal. สัตว์ป่า wild animal. พอยิงถะหนูในป่าล่าสัตว์ป่า Dad shoot the bow in the forest in order to hunt the wild animal. It just make a rhyme in Lao language. พอยิงธนูในป่าล่าสัตว์ป่า ตะปู means the nail. มะลิ it can mean the jasmine, but in this context it's the name of the person named Mali. Mali means jasmine. Mali ตะปูเหยียบ step on. มะลิเหยียบตะปู มะลิเหยียบตะปู so มะลิ step on the nails. มะลิมะลิค่อยมัก I like. ดม smell. ดอกมะลิ ดอกมะลิ means jasmine flower. Dog is a prefix, and that can be put with the name of some flower. ดอกไม้ means flower. ดอกไม้ means flower, and then ดอกมะลิ means the jasmine flower, and สีขาว means white. ค่อยมักดมดอกมะลิสีขาว so I like to smell the white jasmine. กะลากะลา means a coconut shell. มีกะลาหมักพร้าวอยู่ในสวนหมักพร้าว means coconut อยู่ในสวน inside garden สวน garden, so there is coconut in the garden. มีกะลาหมักพร้าวอยู่ในสวนสนีสนี means another name for monkey. Monkey. Sani, but it cannot be a slang word for something. I want to explain here. Sani means monkey. Sani ma au kala pai. So the sani come to take. Ma means come, out to take. Kala pai. Pai means go, but then in this context it means the monkey come and take the coconut shell away. Sani ma au kala pai. Kapi means shrimp paste, another kind of food. Kapi yu thung means on table โต๊ะ Kapi yu thung โต๊ะในห้องครัว ในห้องครัว inside the kitchen ห้องครัว kitchen ห้องครัวกะปิอยู่เทิงโต๊ะในห้องครัวตุ๊กตา doll ตุ๊กตาอยู่ในรถกระบะตุ๊กตาอยู่ใน means inside ตุ๊กตาอยู่ในรถกระบะทะเล sea ทะเลพวกเขาขี่รถกระบะไปทะเล we ride on the pickup car to the sea พวกเขาขี่รถกระบะไปทะเลพวกเขาขี่รถกระบะไปทะเลพวกเขาขี่รถกระบะไปทะเล Okay, so I think that's the end of our lesson today. I hope you enjoy this lesson and it's useful for you to start the basic reading in Lao language. Thank you for watching and please give us a thumbs and subscribe, share to your friends who want to learn Lao by themselves with Lao 101. Thanks again for watching and until next time.